Hi, my name is Adriana Rosa. I am a fluid acrylics artist. And in this video, I want to talk to you about the fluid art experience that I am proposing to you. I am thrilled that you're interested in taking this special, different kind of class with me. And so I want to tell you a little bit about my vision and my goals for such an experience. First of all, I pay close attention to the spaces I choose to host these experiences in. I will be doing intimate size classes of 4 and up to 8 people at one time so that I can provide dedicated individual attention and also create an intimate type of setting for you. These classes would be hosted either in my home gallery, and that has a capacity of 4, or in select public spaces such as cafes or other galleries. And they are carefully selected to make sure that I can create a beautiful space for you. So going forward from selecting the space, I also prepare all of the materials and all of the tools that you will need for this art experience. I want you to have a 16 by 20 by 1.5-inch deep canvas, professional grade canvas, where all edges are paintable. And the way I will be preparing each canvas is I will be taping the back of it, as you see here, and I will also apply a layer or two of gesso. The gesso is a primer, and I will be using white or black gesso depending on the project we're working on for the particular session. So professional quality canvases prepared ahead of time for each of the participants. Also, I am preparing individual tools to use. This is a blow dryer with a diffuser. We'll be using it throughout the session to move the paint, eliminate air bubbles from the poured paint, and it's going to be a useful tool for us. Each of the participants will also have a spatula and paper straws, craft sticks, and of course, gloves, hand sanitizer, and other protection equipment, such as other protection materials, such as an apron and paper towels. I'll also be preparing ahead of time the paints. The paints are mixed according to a proprietary formula that I've developed across many trials, successes and errors. And I use, for this purpose, professional grade paints, either golden or Liquitex. I do use some other brands occasionally for glitter effects or translucent paints. And I mix them with an alternative fluid pouring medium, which is called Floetrol. I mix them to the consistency that's appropriate for the project that we'll be working on. So this is regarding the materials. All of the workspaces will be properly spaced and properly prepared with a sheet of plastic. And also I will be providing the supports so that the canvas is raised. All of the work happens in a horizontal position. So I'll make sure that all of the canvases are level when we begin the work. And so you can rest assured that you have to engage in no discovery or no experimentation on your own of how to get the best possible result. So all you need to focus on is bringing in your creativity and relaxing your mind to the fact that there's an artist in all of us. I firmly and strongly believe this. And for whatever reasons throughout our lives, we have kept this little artist hidden, and I think every so often it's good to bring them out. My art is primarily abstract, and I consider it a means of self-healing from the stresses or pressures of everyday life. And it also brings me joy from using using color and using composition to create beautiful abstract artworks. I am working on several series. I will be talking to you about all of this during our work session, and I am very, very interested in learning from you what other art experiences you might have had, or what interests you might have with your art. Now, in addition to preparing the space, selecting the right space and preparing the materials, in order for this to be a complete experience, because the workshop will take about 2.5 to 3 hours, I also wanted to ensure that there are no physical distractions for you during this art class. And I want to make sure that we also nourish our bodies. So for that, I will be preparing a gourmet charcuterie or cheese sampler and fresh fruits and vegetables, along with bottled water and bottled natural juices. So that should take care of all aspects of your time spent with me. There is absolutely no need for you to bring anything or prepare in any way other than set the time aside and join me for a transformational experience. So I want to thank you for now, and I hope you will join me. If you'd like to learn more information about myself, you are welcome to go to my Facebook page, which is at Adriana Groza 4, the number 4 art, or visit my website, which is www.adrianagroza.com. I hope to see you soon, and thank you very much again for watching this video.